In this video, you'll learn all about Mardi Gras, Carnival Cruise Line's biggest ship ever. We'll tell you about the delicious food. We'll dive into some of the exciting bars you can find on board. We'll also recommend some activities you won't want to miss. And we'll share a couple tips on how to make your Mardi Gras cruise the best ever. If you stick around, we'll even tell you how to get a digital download ship guide for the Mardi Gras to take with you on your cruise. Let's start with the food, starting with Big Chicken. Shaquille O'Neal's Chicken Stand is an option you won't want to miss. They've got great chicken sandwiches, a lot of different options, sides to go with those, fries of course, and they're even open for breakfast. I recommend the chicken and biscuit. There's also the classic Guy's Burger Joint, a larger location on the Mardi Gras than you'll see on other ships, plenty of seating, larger capacity to get you your burger and fries faster than ever. You can choose a burger from their menu. I recommend the Ringer. The Ringer is barbecue sauce and onion ring on a cheeseburger. So delicious. Or you can design your own burger. Just go to the toppings bar and add what you want. There's also Street Eats, a new concept for the Mardi Gras. There are 3 different food truck inspired stands that serve up complimentary food, featured items each day. One stand serves French fries, the other one serves delicious dumplings and pot stickers, and the third one has all kinds of kebabs and other fried up options. Delicious, delicious food with the complimentary Street Eats. There's also Chabang. Chabang is a complimentary Mexican and Chinese restaurant. Imagine that. You can take the whole family there and get Mexican food or Chinese food at the same restaurant. Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse is a great option to go to any time of day. You can get beef brisket, pulled pork, and delicious sides. You won't want to miss out on Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse. They even have live music in the evenings. Fahrenheit 555 will cost you a little extra, but when it comes to steak, you won't go wrong with a fine dining steakhouse. Fahrenheit 555, delicious steaks and seafood. I recommend the ribeye. There's also Rudy's Sea Grill, another specialty dining option. It'll cost you a little extra, but they've got lobster and fish, a lot of great options. A brand new option on the Mardi Gras with delicious seafood. I recommend Bonsai Sushi. Sushi prepared to order, a la carte sushi, noodles, tempura, delicious appetizers, all kinds of great food at a casual setting. Bonsai Sushi. If you're enjoying this information, be sure to give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Now let's talk about the bars, starting with the Fortune Teller Bar. It's a bar with a mystical theme, serving up creative and fun cocktails like the Third Eye. Delicious craft cocktails in a fun setting. I recommend it. There's also the Brass Magnolia. It's an upscale New Orleans style bar. It's very comfortable with upscale drinks, and from time to time, they even have live music. There's also the Alchemy Bar, a great spot where mixologists will make you craft cocktails from a very unique menu, a lot of creative options, or let them know what you like and they'll make it up for you. Also new for Mardi Gras is the Red Frog Tiki Bar. That's right, it's a tiki bar on a cruise ship. It's a 2-story tiki bar. You can find it by the main pool where they serve up tropical drinks and beer on tap. There's also Guy's Pig and Anchor Brewhouse, where parched pig beer is brewed right on the ship. Carnival's branded parched pig beer made by the brewers right there on Mardi Gras. And it's right there with Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse, so you can get some of that complimentary smokehouse food while you're enjoying that freshly brewed beer. There's also Serenity Bar. It's an outdoor bar in the relaxing adults-only retreat, Serenity. And now let's talk about the activities on Mardi Gras, starting with the Bolt Sea Coaster. It's the first ever roller coaster on a cruise ship. It'll cost you a little extra, but it also give you bragging rights to say you were on a roller coaster on a cruise ship. What fun. There's also the Carnival Waterworks, a nice big water park right on the cruise ship. For something a little more laid back, there's mini golf, a fun golf course next to the Carnival Waterworks where you can test out your golf game as the Bolt Sea Coaster flies overhead. There's also the Kids and Teens Clubs, cool areas with fun tailored to their age groups. They can go and have fun with kids their ages while you're off doing things that they really wouldn't enjoy. There's also the Punchliner Comedy Club, professional stand-up comedians with no cover charge. You can grab a drink while you're there, have a laugh or two at the Punchliner Comedy Club. For something more relaxing, check out the Cloud9 Spa. You can get a massage or facial, manicures, all kinds of great spa services at the Cloud9 Spa. Now, how about a couple tips? Tip number 1. Be sure to check out Big Chicken, but I recommend doing it on port days. You'll want to avoid the crowd on the first day. There'll be a big crowd at Big Chicken since it's a new concept. But if you go on port days, or at least avoid the first day, it'll be a much more pleasant experience and you can get in and out of the line much faster. Tip number 2. Don't miss out on the lanai, La Piazza, and the patio. All areas found on Deck 8, aft, and midship. They're outdoor areas where you can enjoy the outdoors with a great view, or go have a drink at the watering hole. The watering hole bar is also on Deck 8 mid. Tip number 3. Speaking of drinks, the Havana bar is a great spot to go for a quiet drink. Most of the time, when it's not in the evening with live music, most of the time, it's a quieter spot with lots of comfortable seating and great drinks. Be sure to check out the Havana bar. Tip number 4. Be sure to get your digital download Mardi Gras ship guide. It'll tell you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're even throwing in a bar crawl to help you have fun exploring the bars on board. You can get your digital download by clicking on the link in the description below. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. It's the best way to follow us. Doesn't cost anything. It just helps you keep up to speed with what we're doing and see our latest videos. We've got a lot of fun things planned, including our live show. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll be alerted to when that's coming up. Thanks for watching.